it for a minute. One thing I love about this strategy is she got it from the ACT work keys.
Really?
So this is a question that high school students would need to be able to work out in case that boosts your self-esteem real quick. All right. I know y'all want to keep talking about it, but let's give her a chance to bring closure to it.
Alright, so I hear a lot of debates, and I think it sounds like we're having the same issue. The answer is B. And what tables do we narrow it down to?
26.
26 and 27, because they're the only ones that can fit 7 people. The reason B is the choice is because at 6:30, there's already someone seated at 27. And it said on average they have 2 hours since people are seated. So what time are they going to leave? 8:30. After that, at 7:30, it doesn't say a table number because they haven't actually been seated, but if you look, it says the Dillon party of 7 comes in at 7:30. They have reservations, so they're not going to seat them until they know for a fact they're not showing up. Now, could they go a half an hour early? Sure, but we shouldn't assume that they're not going to show up. So the only answer we can pick is B, because they came in at 7, they have to wait till 8:30.
Okay, but here's your question. Because you know me. When I see a 7 beside Dillon, just like there was a W beside Fry, I wasn't necessarily thinking it was 7 people. I was thinking it was a table. So
That was my problem. I got it wrong last night and had to check the answer myself.
And now I see that there are numbers beside it.
All right, do you have any questions about this strategy? Why?
I think people don't pay attention to detail and they need to learn how to.
All right, give her a hand.
Okay, I want to thank Ms. Johnson and Ms. Loudermilk for presenting strategies throughout the day today. I think we've probably got 6, 7 more folks that went to Avid that'll be presenting in the next couple of months. So I hope these have been beneficial for you and that you can take them back in the classroom and use them. This, like Ms. Dobbins said, I think she said it probably at the beginning, this is going to be one of the shortest team meetings we've had. So you have the rest of the plan up here to enjoy it. As you walk out, I'm going to hand you some feedback. A few weeks ago, Mr. Crawford did the start, stop, continue, change, modify, whatever it was called. But we wanted to, you took the time to do it. We want to take the time to give you feedback. So what we're doing is kind of incrementally giving the feedback. So today we're addressing the stop stuff that was organizational specific. Some of you, he kind of gave broad directions, and some of you took it to reflect on your own class and what you would change in S2, what you would start, stop, continue. So what we did, we didn't address any of that stuff because that was personal, that was related to you and your class. So the only thing we did was address the organizational stuff. So we listed those responses on the left and administrative response on the right. I want to thank you for taking the time to do that. There are certainly some things that we needed to be reminded of, some policies that we need to look at changing, some procedures, just day-to-day routines that we need to look at changing. So your feedback is very instrumental in doing that. Also, I want to say that if there's anything on here that you got an idea about, of not just saying, hey, this is a problem, but if you've got a solution to that, we certainly welcome that. But anyways,
That does it in my room all the time, and I'm like, it's okay, it's supposed to just slowly releasing gas.
Yeah. What that is. But anyways, if you got if you have some suggestions to any of these things, we would certainly welcome your feedback. And then next week we'll give you some feedback on the changes and then the starts the following week. Anything else, Ms. Dobbins?
I need to see Joe, Amy, and Rodney before you leave.